So welcome to our P3 Maths class. All right, for today, we'll be continuing on with our whole number strategies. Last week we did on grouping. Today we are going to do on gaps and differences. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. So in whole numbers, gaps and differences, we need to find the value of one item. Okay, to find the value of one item, we need to find the difference in the quantity and the value of the items, and then we have to equate them. So let's take a look at the example over here. For example, I say teacher J has some money. If she wants to buy 10 cupcakes, she will need $3 more. If she wants to buy 12 cupcakes, she will need $11 more. So how much money does she have? Do you know how to do this question? Do you know how to do this question? Sounds a little bit complicated? No? Some of you say yes, some of you say no. So let's take a look over here, okay? Now, teacher J, for example, I have a certain amount of money, right? I have a certain amount of money. So this is the amount of money that I have. Okay? Now, if I want to buy 10 cupcakes, based on the question itself, do I have enough money to buy 10 cupcakes or not enough? Do I have enough money? No, right? I do not have enough money. How much more do I need? How much more do I need in order for me to buy 10 cupcakes? $3. Thank you very much, Kevin. I need $3 more, okay? So this one, let me do dotted line over here. I need $3 more in order to buy 10 cupcakes. Okay? This part you guys can see, right? Now, with the same amount of money, say for example, I want to buy 12 cupcakes now. How much more do I need? How much more do I need? $11, right? So I need more than $3. I need $11 more. So this part here is $11 more. So this is the amount, the cost of 12 cupcakes over here. Now, based on the model itself, what can you identify? How many additional number of cupcakes am I buying with $11 more? 2, correct? Okay, so if I were to change the color, you notice that this part here will give me the cost of, I just write 2C, okay? 2 cupcakes. So in this case, what can we equate? How much is 2 cupcakes? How much is 2 cupcakes? $8. Thank you very much, Renee. How do you get $8? Thank you very much, Lynn. Colleen as well, you got the correct answer. How did you get $8? $11 minus $3. Excellent job, guys. Well done, well done. Okay, so in this case, I want to find the difference in number of cupcakes. Let me write short form, okay, because I do not have enough space. Number difference, I'll take 12 minus 10. I have an extra 2 cupcakes. Okay, right? How about the difference in cost? In this case, from $11 minus $3, I will have $8. So from here, we can equate that 2 cupcakes cost $8. Can you find the cost of 1 cupcake? Can you find the cost of 1 cupcake? $4. Excellent job. So $8 divided by 2 is equals to $4. But that's not what the question is asking, right? Question is asking, how much money does she have? How much money does she have? Kevin, why do you say 9 times 4? Does the amount of money she have allow her to buy 9 cupcakes? She doesn't have 10, right? She doesn't have 10. But maybe she cannot buy 9 also. How do you know? I want the exact amount of money that teacher J has. So how do you do that? So the first thing we need to do, yes, we need to find the value of 10 cupcakes, okay? So to find the value of 10 cupcakes, we can take 10 multiplied by $4, and that will give me $40, right? But she needs $3 more in order to get $40 so that she can buy 10 cupcakes. So how much money does she have? Minus 3. Kevin, minus 3 is correct, but your final answer is incorrect. So you want to type in again? $37. Excellent job. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze this one in. Okay, $40 minus $3 is equals to $37. Okay, so teacher J, which is me, I only have $37. So this is what we mean by gaps and differences, whereby we need to find, over here, we need to find the gap and the difference between the quantity of the number of cupcakes and the cost of the number of cupcakes. Okay, so let's try one before I give you your bubble question. Okay, so let's take a look at this question here first. Kenneth harvested some pineapples. If he packed them into 6 equal boxes, he would have 8 pineapples left. If he packed them into 9 equal boxes, he would have 2 pineapples left. So how many pineapples did he harvest? So let's draw the model together. Okay, let's draw the model over here. So first, if I have 6 equal boxes, he would have 8 pineapples left. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a model to represent 6 boxes. Okay, all right. And then I would have 8 pineapples left. So I'm going to draw a little bit extra to indicate 8 pineapples. Okay. Now, if he were to pack them into 9 equal boxes, okay, one question first. Is the number of pineapples the same? Whether he packed into 6 boxes or whether he packed into 9 boxes. Yes, correct. The number of pineapples is the same. Just that if he were to pack into 6 boxes, he would have 8 pineapples left. If he was to pack into 9 boxes, he would have 2 pineapples left. Okay? All right. So let's take a look over here. You can't see the video, the question. Is it my picture is too big? How about here? Is it better? Yes? Okay, all right. So let's take a look over here. So now, given that I have the same number of pineapple, instead of 6 boxes, I want to pack into 9 boxes now. And I have 2 pineapples left. So can you tell me, question is asking for how many pineapples are there altogether? Okay, so based on this alone, my first bubble question to you would be this. Can you tell me how many pineapples are there in the 3 boxes? Given that over here, you have 9 boxes and you have 6 boxes, means over here I have 3 extra boxes. If I were to draw a dotted line down for you, over here, okay? Let's squeeze this in. This I have 3 extra boxes over here. So how many pineapple can I pack into these 3 extra boxes? Okay, options launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Based on the model itself, can you tell me how many pineapples can I pack into these 3 boxes over here? If you don't see the options, please kindly rejoin the lesson, okay? Can you refresh? Can all of you see the option? Cannot see the option. Some of you can, some of you cannot. Okay, so let me refresh my part over here. Let's try again, okay? Let me launch question number 1 again. Can you guys see? I've refreshed on my side. Can you guys see? Ooh, if you can't see, please kindly rejoin the lesson. Moderator, please help me to let them in. A lot of you cannot see. I do have some of you answering the question though. You can refresh or you can leave the meeting and join again. I will wait for you guys, okay? Can you try again? Second time doing this? Okay, hold on. Yes, fine. Okay, we try one more, okay? So let me launch question number 2 first and then we try and then I see what I can do with the lesson itself. Okay, so hold on first, it's okay. Let's go through this one first over here, okay? So how many pineapples are there in 3 boxes? Can you guys help me? How many pineapples are there in 3 boxes? How do you do this question? Don't worry, we have a lot more bubble question coming up. Okay, yes. All right, so we want to find the difference in the number of boxes. Okay, so if I have the difference in number of boxes, okay, you can take 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, right? And then it is this part over here. At first, I have 8. If I put into 6, I have 8 pineapples. If I put into 9, I have 2 pineapples. That means in 3 boxes, I would have 8 minus 2, which is equals to 6 pineapples. Okay, so difference in number of pineapples. Let me just put P over here. Okay, you can take 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So from here itself, we know that in 3 boxes, there will be 6 pineapples. Okay, everybody can follow this one. All right. Okay, so let's try the next bubble question. Don't worry, let's try the next bubble question over here. Okay, how many pineapples did he harvest? Can you guys try this one out? How many pineapples did he harvest? Given that in 3 boxes, there will be 6 pineapples, I need you to find for me how many pineapples did he have all together. All together. That means you can do 2 methods. You can find the number of pineapples in 6 boxes first, plus the extra 8, or you can find the number of pineapples in 9 boxes and plus the extra 2 pineapples. Okay? Can I launch my option? You only have 30 seconds. Can I launch my option? Some of you say yes, some of you say no. Okay, I'll wait a while. So I'm going to do with the 6 boxes one first, okay? What you need to do is to find the number of pineapples in 1 box and then find the number of pineapple in 6 boxes. That's not the final answer because you have to plus the extra 8 pineapples over here. Okay? Anybody need some more help? Or can I launch the options already? I haven't launched yet. Okay, you need help. Okay, let's do step by step until the last step and then you guys give me the answer. Okay, so the first things first, 3 boxes has 6 pineapples in them all together. Can you tell me how many pineapples would there be in 1 box? How many pineapples would there be in 1 box? What do you need to do? 2, correct? Because we need to divide. So we're going to take 6 divided by 3. There will be 2 pineapples in 1 box. So can you tell me how many pineapples would there be in 6 boxes? Thank you very much, Chloe. In 6 boxes, so we need to take 6 times 2 is equals to 12. But that's not my final answer because in 6 boxes, I have 12 pineapples. I still have 8 pineapples left over. Okay, so to find the total number of pineapples, what do you need to do? Okay, all right, I'm going to launch already. Can you guys see whether you can see the option? Ready? Launching in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, not yet. Let me refresh again. No, okay. There's a error over here. Oh, okay, come. Give me a while, okay, while I contact them. Hold on, okay. I will see this one. Not yet. Okay, I'm gonna try to refresh the database on my side. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to make this one work. Okay, I can't seem to do it. Okay, I'll tell you what. Moderator, can you help me to take a screenshot of the participant list? And then we are going to award bubbles to you guys, okay? All right, just for today because I cannot launch the option. So what I need you guys to do is to key in the answer. So yeah, moderator, just help me to take a screenshot of the participation list, okay? Yes, you key in the answer and I will award the bubbles to you guys at the end of the class. So don't worry about that. 20, yes, it is option number 4. Now tell me, how do you get 20? How do you get 20? I want the step. I don't want the final answer. I want the number sentence. 12 plus 8. Excellent job. Okay, we have 12 plus 8 over here, and we will have a total of 20 pineapples. Okay? All right. So are you guys ready to try it yourself now? Next question, okay? Now, next question is worth 10 bubbles. I will tally all the bubbles for all my question over here, and I will award to you guys accordingly. So today's one will be a team effort, okay? So you guys have to do it together. Means I would say 90% of you must get the correct answer in order for all of you to get your bubbles, okay? All right, so let's take a look over here. We have Ivan. Ivan has a piece of cloth. If he were to make 15 identical masks, he will have 22 meters of cloth left. If he were to make 13 identical masks, he will have 50 meters of cloth left. How long was the piece of cloth? So how do you do this question? Some of you already got the answer? Yeah? Okay, all right. Anybody needs help to solve this one? Anybody needs help? Some of you need help. Okay, let's draw the model. Okay, let me show you the model over here. Let me show you the model. Now, if he were to make 15, he will have 22 meters left, okay? So if I were to draw a model, this amount, the total number of, the total length of the cloth allows him to make 15 masks with an extra of 22 meters, okay? But if he were to make 13 masks instead, he would have 15 meters. So when you take 15 meters minus 22 meters, how many masks are you able to make from that? Okay, how many masks are you able to make from that? Then my question will be asking you, what is the total length of the piece of cloth he has? Okay, so now if I have 15 masks and I have 13 masks, means on the top one over here, he need 2 extra masks. So how many meters of cloth does he need to make 2 extra masks? And then find how much cloth does he need to make 1 mask. Then find the total length of cloth that he needs. Can you guys try that while I try to refresh my site to get the database working over here? Okay, so you guys give that a try. I see some answers coming in already. All right, I still cannot access, so we cannot have the options for this one. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try to launch the option. Okay, I'm seeing the thing working now. Okay, can I launch the option and you guys give it a try? Can? Yes, okay, let's see if you can see the options. Oh no, I cannot launch again. No, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. The database is not working. For this question, it is 10 bubbles. So if you have the answer, please type it in. Okay, I see a mixture of option 3 and option 4. Did you guys remember to do your addition? Did you guys remember to do your addition? Excellent job. Okay, some of you are giving me option number 2. Option number 2 is just the difference, okay, guys? I want to find the total length. So what was the length of the original piece of cloth? Excellent job. It should be option number 4. All right, I see a lot of you giving me the correct answer. So well done. Okay, well done. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Please guide me now on how to solve this question. What's the first step that you guys do? What's the first step that you guys do? Those of you who give me option number 3 is because you missed out one last step. 50 minus 22, correct? Okay, so we can find the difference in length. Okay, so we can take 50 meters minus 22 meters. Can you guys tell me how many would that be? 28. Thank you very much, Joyce. 28 meters over here. This 28 meters is used to make how many masks? How do you find that? Renee, how do you do that? How do you find 2? Eva, how do you get 2? 15 minus 3. Yeah, so we need to find the difference in number of mass. Okay, so we're going to take 15 minus 13 and that will give you 2 mass. Okay, so for 2 mass, he is using 28 meters of cloth. That's a very, very long cloth. Very, very big mass. Okay, so the next step over here, you need to find the length of 1 mass. Thank you very much, Clarissa. You want to find the length of 1 mass. Okay, so we're going to take 28 meters divided by 2. And what do you guys get? Thank you, Shuan. You have 14 meters. Well done. Okay. Then I want to find the total length of the piece of cloth. So what's the next step that you guys do? Regan, that is correct. But what's the next step? You want to find the length of, okay, you can take 15 times 14, or you can take 13 times 14 as well. Okay, if you want to find the length of 13 mass, we can take 13 times 14. Anybody got the answer over here? What is 13 times 14? 182. Thank you very much, Renee. We have 132 meters over here. And then, that's not my final answer, right? So a lot of you gave me option number 3 over here, but you're missing one more step. Thank you, Chloe. Chloe Tan, we need to plus because 13 mass, you need 182. You still have 15 meters left over. So we need to do our addition over here. Okay, so total length, let me write down one more time. Total length of the cloth would be 182 meters plus 15 meters. And what do you guys get? 232. Thank you very much, Min An. 232 meters. So your answer should be option number 4. Okay. Are you guys, do you guys have a better understanding already? Yes? One more? Shall we try one more? Okay, something similar. Try one more over here, just to make sure that you guys understand. So let's take a look at this question. Wilson goes to the supermarket with some money. If he wants to buy 10 carrots, he will have $18 left. If he wants to buy 15 carrots, he will have $3 left. So how much money does he have? Hi, Manashwini. How much money does he have? So let me show you the model and then you guys try out the steps, okay? So let's take a look over here. If he wants to buy 10 carrots, he will have $18 left, okay? After spending on 10 carrots, still have $18 left over. If he wants to buy 15 carrots, he will have $3 left. So the question is asking, how much money does he have? So what you guys need to do is to find this part over here. How many carrots, how many extra carrots is equivalent to the difference in the amount of money? Okay, and then from there, you can find the amount of money he has left. So remember to do your addition because I want to find the total amount of money he has. Okay, so I give you guys some time to try while I retry to the database again. Okay, and see if it works now. All right, so I'll give you guys some time to give it a try. Okay, I want to try to launch the option. Are you guys ready? I have not launched yet. Okay, are you guys ready? No? Okay, let me try to launch like the first bubble question. This is not this one, the first bubble question. I just want to see whether you guys can get can see the option, okay? I haven't launched this one. Again, now one more time, I'm gonna launch something, but it's not for this question, okay? Just to check that you guys can see your bubble question. Okay, can you guys see the floating thing now? Yes, you no need to answer, it's not necessary. Okay, nice. Okay, so I'm going to end the question over here. Now, I am going to launch this question. You have 1.5 minutes after I launch, okay? Are you guys ready? All right, options launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Can you guys see the options now? I see a lot of you are keying in the correct answer already. Well done. Okay. Okay. Anybody need help? Anybody needs help? So the first thing you need to do is to find the difference in number of carrots, and then find the difference in amount of money. Then you got to equate both of them together. If you cannot see the floating tab, I need you guys to rejoin, okay? Because my site works and I think majority of you are keying in the correct answer already. I see a lot of you being able to key in. So if on your side you guys cannot see the options, please kindly rejoin. Okay? We have about 30 more seconds. So I'm going to help you out with the first few steps over here, okay? We're going to find the difference in the number of carrots. We can take 15 minus 10, and we will have 5 carrots over here. And then the difference in the amount of money, we can take $18 minus $3, and that will give me $15. So from here, you can identify that 5 carrots actually cost $15. What you need to do is to find the cost of 1 carrot. Then from there, you can find the total amount of money. Well done, Luan. That is correct. Okay, let me see. I see majority of you got the correct answer. A lot of you gave me option number 3 as well. If you're giving me option number 3 means you did not do the final step. Okay, too little time. Don't worry, the next one I'll give you more time. Okay, all right. So this one is just a trial to make sure that majority of you can see the option itself. Okay, all right. So first, can you please tell me how to find the cost of 1 carrot? 5 carrots cost $15. 1 carrot cost how much? Divide by 5. Thank you very much, Eunice. Hi, Eunice. Okay, we have 15 divided by 5, and that will give me, how much is that? What is 15 divided by 5? 3. Thank you, Gavin. Yes, it is $3. Okay, now if I want to find the total amount of money he have, let's find 10 carrots, okay, because multiplication of 10 is a lot easier, isn't it? Okay, so let's find the cost of 10 carrots over here. 1 carrot costs $3. 10 carrots will cost how much? This one, easy, $30. Thank you very much, Kevin. We have $30 over here, but that is not the final answer, isn't it? Because 10 carrots cost $30. He already paid $30. He still has $18 left. So how much money did he have at first? Thank you, Jaden. 30 plus 18. So total amount of money, it would be $30 plus $18, and that would give us $48. So your answer should be option number 4. Yes, we can. Bubble question is option number 4, the answer to this one. Okay, so far so good. So for gaps and differences, up until now, we always need to draw the model. So for today, all our question will be solved using model drawing. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the second type of question over here. Okay, now Mrs. Tan has some money. If she wants to buy 34 sweets, she will need $8 more. If she wants to buy 40 sweets, she will need $26 more. How much money does she have? Okay, so this is very similar to the example question that I gave you guys just now about teacher Jane wanting to buy 10 cupcakes and 12 cupcakes. Either way, she does not have enough money. So let's draw the model for you over here. Okay, if you want, you can try drawing the model as well. Okay, try drawing the model. Now, if she wants to buy 34 sweets, she will need $8 more. Okay, so let's say this is the cost of 34 sweets. No, I'm going to do it. This is the amount of money that she has, okay? All right, this is the amount of money that she has. If she wants to buy 34 sweets, she needs $8 more. Dotted line. She do not have this amount of money, okay? So 34 sweets. Now, if she wants to buy 40, that means she has the same amount of money. This is the only amount of money she have, which is not enough to buy 34 sweets, also not enough to buy 40 sweets. Now, if she wants to buy 40 sweets, she will need $26 more. Okay, so this is the cost of 40 sweets. Okay, so between 34 and 40, what is the difference in the number of sweets? 6. Then my question to you would be this: can you tell me how much more money does she need if she wants to buy 6 more sweets? Okay, so let me write down over here. Difference in number of sweets, we already found out. Instead of buying 34, she wants to buy 40. She will have bought 6 more sweets. Can you tell me how much more money does she need if she wants to buy 6 more sweets? Options launching in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I launched already, so I think majority of you are able to see this one. Okay? Excellent job. So in this case, I want to find the difference in amount of money. Amount of extra money that she needs. Let me move all this to the side so that I have enough space. Ooh, time's up. Wow, a lot of you got the correct answer. Excellent job. Okay, so what's the difference in the amount of money? Thank you very much, Gavin. We have 26 minus 18, minus $8. And that will give us how much? $18. Wow, 6 sweets cost $18, huh? Expensive sweet. Okay, so your answer would be option number 3. All right, so then my final question to you would be this: knowing that 6 sweets cost $18, can you find the amount of money she have? Okay, means I only want you to find this one, the blue color part, not the cost of 34 sweets, not the cost of 40 sweets. I want the amount of money she has. Okay, so let me write it down for you guys. Move this one. So we know that 6 sweets cost $18. So from here you can find the cost of 1 sweet. Then you can find the cost of 34 sweets. And then find the amount of money she has. Okay? Can I launch the option? You only have 30 seconds. I haven't launched it yet. Yes. Okay, options launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Well done, guys. Excellent job. Do your multiplication correctly, okay? Marissa, I think you can. You can just click on the option itself, because the last time I checked your account, all the bubbles are credited to your account already. Okay? If anything, I can check for you again at the end of the lesson. Vena, is it Vena? Please do not spam. And time's up. Okay, so let's take a look over here. I see majority of you got the correct answer. Some of you give me option number 2, some of you give me option number 3. Option number 3, for those of you give me option number 3, you forgot one more step. You forgot one more step over here, okay? Now, let's do this one. Can you tell me what's the cost of 1 sweet? What's the cost of 1 sweet? $3. Thank you very much, Joey. $3. We're going to take 18 divided by 6, right? And then that will give me the cost of 1 sweet over here. Then I want to find the cost of 34 sweets. So I need to take 34 multiplied by 3. And what will you guys get? What is 34 multiplied by 3? 102. Thank you very much, Phoebe. Okay. $102 over here. But that's not the amount of money that Mrs. Tan has, correct? Because she needs $8 more in order to make 102. So how much money does she have? Thank you, Joyce. We need to minus Gavin. Typo error, is it, Gavin? Minus $8 or minus $18? minus $8 over here. Okay, and that will give you your answer to be 94, which is option number 1. Okay, for those of you who gave me option number 2, I think there might be a careless mistake in your subtraction, so please be careful. You have your writing materials with you, right? So do your working at the side as well. Okay, shall we try one? So the next question is a try it yourself, so it's almost exactly the same. It's worth 10 bubbles. Okay, it's worth 10 bubbles. Zane, if you cannot see it, can you try to refresh and join the lesson again, please? Okay, next quiz, next question. Let's take a look over here. Mr. Pang has some money. If he wants to buy 56 bookmarks, he will need $8 more. If he wants to buy 60 bookmarks, he will need $20 more. How much money does he have? Kira, I have not launched it yet, so I will launch it soon. Then you tell me whether you can or cannot see the option, okay? All right, so let me help you guys out with the model, and then you guys can tell me how much money does he have. Okay, so let's take a look over here. If he wants to buy 56 bookmarks, he will need $8 more. Okay, so this is the amount of money that Mr. Pang has. Okay, right? Now he needs $8 more in order to buy 56 bookmarks. Okay, now with the same amount of money, he wants to buy 60 bookmarks instead. And in this case, he will need $20 more. So what I need you guys to do is to find this part. This extra part over here. How many bookmarks is equals to the difference in the amount of money between 20 and $8? And then from there, find the cost of one bookmark and then find the amount of money that he has. Amount of money he has, let me highlight for you guys. It's only this part over here. Okay, this part over here. So remember to do your subtraction. Can I launch the option already? Once I launch, you still have 1.5 minutes. Okay, I will launch in about 5 more seconds. Anybody needs the partial statement to help you out over here? Partial statement? Okay, let me write the partial statement down and then I'm going to launch the option, okay? So we want to find the difference in number of bookmarks. Okay, then we can find the difference in in amount of money. Okay, then from here you're going to equate. You're going to equate the number of bookmarks to the amount of money. Find the cost of one bookmark. Find the cost of, you can do it the cost of 56 bookmarks or 60 bookmarks. Okay, 60 might be easier for you to do your multiplication. And then remember to do your subtraction. Okay. And see, when you take 20, okay, so a lot of you managed to get this part from me, okay? You get $20 minus $8 is equals to $12. So this $12 is equals to how many bookmarks? What do you guys think? What's the difference in the number of bookmarks between the two scenarios? If you were to buy 60 and if you were to buy 56, 4, excellent job. So 60 minus 56 is equals to 4. So now you can equate 4 bookmarks to the cost of $12. From here, find one bookmark, pick one bookmark, and then you can continue. Okay, I'm gonna launch the options in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I think a lot of you managed to get the answer already. Excellent job. Let's do 60 bookmarks, okay? I think multiplication for 60 would be easier. If you do 56, it is also okay because you still get the final answer. You still arrive at the final answer. Okay, if the options is flickering, you guys need to try to refresh again. Clarice, you gotta try to know how to do the question, okay? Tell me that is correct. Ming Song or no? Is it a accidental error? Sorry, Song Ming, not Ming Song, Song Ming. Clarice, you're gonna try the step by step over here. Find the cost of one bookmark, find the cost of 60 bookmarks, and then find the amount of money that he has. Careless mistake. Oh no. Please be careful, okay? Okay, 5 more seconds, guys. 5 more seconds for those of you. Still need a little bit of time. Zane, don't worry, you just do the question, okay? You can type in your answers over here and stay back after class for a bit so that I can award the bubbles to you, okay? All right, so let's take a look over here. What is the cost of one bookmark? How do you find the cost of one bookmark? Divide by 4, right? Divide by 4. So we're going to take $12 divided by 4 bookmarks. The cost of one bookmark is actually $3. Thank you very much, Anthony. Yes, the cost of one bookmark is $3. So now we want to find the cost of 60 bookmarks. Okay, so we need to take 60 multiplied by $3, and that will give you how much? What is 60 multiplied by 3? Ooh, please be careful, Pao Meng Wong. Please be careful. 60 multiplied by 3 is 180. Yes, 180, not 160, okay? 180, okay? That means the cost of 60 bookmarks is 180, but he needs $20 more in order to buy 60 bookmarks. Means how much does he really have? Thank you very much, Joyce. Thank you, Jiaxue. Thank you, Jaden. We need to minus away 20. So amount of money he has is 180 minus 20, and we will get 160. Yes, so the answer should be option number 2. Okay. So far so good. Yes. Clarice, do you manage to see the options? Do you manage to see the options and click the options? Okay, so don't worry about it, okay, guys? Please do not worry about it. So let's try this one over here, okay? All right, let's try question number 3. Belinda, this one is also slightly different, okay? So let's take a look over here. Belinda had a piece of cloth. If she wanted to make 7 similar curtains, she would need 9 meters of cloth more. As such, she can only make 4 similar curtains and had 3 meters of cloth left. How long was the piece of cloth? So how do we do this question? How do we do this question? So let's draw the model, okay? Let's draw the model over here. Now, Belinda has a certain amount of cloth, okay? So I'm going to draw this model to indicate the length of cloth that Belinda has. Now, if she wants to make 7, she will need 9 meters of cloth more, correct? So she will need, let me do the dotted line because she do not have this 9 meters. This is the length of 7 curtains. Okay, now with the same amount of cloth, she can make 4 curtains and have 3 meters left. So she can make 4 curtains, but she will have 3 meters of cloth left. Okay, so what can you guys tell me? If I were to draw the dotted line over here, this is also 4 curtains, correct? Because it's exactly the same. Now, can you guys tell me how many curtains would be equal to this part over here? The part that I highlight, 3 curtains, isn't it? Because I want to make 7, I can only make 4. That means this extra part over here is equivalent to the length of 3 curtains. With that in mind, okay, so if I want to find the difference in number of curtains, I can take 7 minus 4 is equals to 3 curtains, correct? Okay, so now I want to find the length of 3 curtains. Can you guys do that for me? Okay, I'm going to launch the option in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! How many meters of cloth does she need to make 3 curtains? I just launched the option. You have about 15 more seconds. Oh, sorry. Oh, no. Sorry, I can't. I didn't give you guys the question. That's the question over here. 5 more seconds. Come on, you can do it. And time's up. All right. So let's take a look over here. Apologies. Okay, at the end, I will launch questions that I'll give you a chance to earn some more bubbles, okay, at the end of today's lesson. So in the meantime, can we just focus on this one first? All right, can we focus on this? And then at the end, then we will get a chance to earn some more bubbles, okay, for all the technical errors that we face today. Okay, so can you tell me what is the length of the curtain? What's the length of the curtain? You need to take this part here, which is 3 meters plus 9 meters to get the length of 3 curtains, okay? So previously, we always find the difference, correct? We always do subtraction, but for this one, based on the model itself, we need to do addition, all right? So we need to do addition. So the length of 3 curtains would be 3 meters plus 9 meters over here, and that will give us 12 meters, okay? So from here, can you find the length of 1 curtain? And then from here, you can find the length of 4 curtains. And finally, length of cloth she has. Okay, so now let me show you my question first together with the option. Give you a little bit of time before I launch the options, okay? So we know that 3 curtains has a total length of 12 meters. Can you find the length of 1 curtain? Then find the length of 4 curtains. And what's the length, the total length of cloth that she actually has? Okay, guys? I see the answers coming in already, so I can launch my option. Can I launch my option? Yes? Okay, options launching. 30 seconds only, huh? Still need a little bit of time to do your multiplication. This one should be quite easy. You don't really have to do your multiplication working. It's all mental calculation. Options launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Excellent job, guys. Well done, well done. Well done, Joyce. Well done, Phoebe. Well done, Luan. Songmi, you gotta try more so that you can earn more bubbles. Okay, try to answer the question so that you can earn more bubbles. Every question is at least 5 or 10 bubbles. Do you buy something? Do you redeem something? You misclick. Oh no, if you misclick, then I cannot help you. So you guys have to be careful, okay? All right. Okay, so let's take a look at this one over here. So how do you find the length of 1 curtain? How do you find the length of 1 curtain? We have to do our division, correct? We have to do our division. So we're going to take 12 meters divided by 3, and that will give me 4 meters. So 1 curtain, she requires the length of 4 meters over here. Can you tell me what is the length of the cloth that she needs to make 4 curtains? How do you guys do that? What is the length of the cloth she needs to make 4? Kevin, thank you very much. How do you do that? Thank you, Gavin. 4 times 4. And that would give me 16 meters over here. Correct? But that's not the actual amount of cloth that she has, because after using 16 meters, she still have 3 meters left. Thank you very much, Chloe. Thank you, Joyce. We need to plus the 3 meters that she have left. And then your answer, 1 year, you are correct. So we have 19 meters over here. So the answer should be option number 3. Okay, so let's try one more question before I give you your free bubbles for the technical errors. Okay, so let's try one more question first, guys. This one is also worth 10 bubbles. All right. Pauline had a piece of ribbon. She wants to make 10 identical hairbands. If she wants to make 10 identical hairbands, she would need 9 meters more. So as a result, she can only make 7 identical hairbands and have 15 meters left. How long was the piece of ribbon that Pauline had? So let's take a look at the model. Okay, I'll help you out over here. Take a look at the model. So this is the length of Pauline's ribbon. Okay, if she wants to make 10, she needs 9 meters more. So with the length of the ribbon that she has, she can only make 7 and have 15 meters left. Okay, so based on this alone, let me draw this out for you. Okay, 7 hairbands. 7 hairbands means this extra part is equivalent to how many hairbands? How many hairbands? 3, correct? So I want to find the difference in number of hairbands. Let me help you with the first 2 steps, and then you guys are on your own. Okay, difference in number of hairbands. Hairbands over here, it would be 10 minus 7 equals to 3. Okay, so can you tell me length of ribbon needed for 3 hairbands? Okay, then from there you can find the length needed for 1 hairband, and then you can find the length of the ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to launch instead of 1.5 minutes. Okay, option launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Read the question carefully, okay, guys? Well, I write down the steps for you guys. Ribbon needed. I'm just going to do short form for hairband, okay? And then, of course, we can find length of ribbon needed for 7 hairband. Then you can find total length of ribbon. Okay, let me shrink this a little bit. Move it up. Okay, still have 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Clarice. So mean if you get this question correct, you have more bubbles, right? I didn't get what you buy. HB sounds like HB. 10 more seconds, guys. If you haven't keyed your answer, kindly key in your answer. A lot of you give me option number 2. Forgot to add again, guys. Uh-oh. All right, so let's take a look over here. Okay, let's solve this question together. Now, tell me, how do you find the length of ribbon needed for 3 hairbands? What do you guys do? Addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction? Addition, correct? Because we need to add this 15 meters plus these 9 meters over here. Okay, so 15 plus 9 is equals to how many? 24, right? 24. Okay, so from here, can you find the length needed for 1 hairband? Thank you very much, Kevin. We need to divide by 3. Thank you, Gavin. We get 24 divided by 3, and that will give us 8 meters. So from here, can you find the length of ribbon needed for 7 hairpin? 7 hairpin. 7. Thank you very much, Kevin. 7 times 8, right? 7 times 8, that will give me 56. So this part here, she used 56 meters, and then she still have 15 meters left. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to plus 15. Okay, so for those of you, give me option number 2. One more step. You're missing the last step. Okay, so the answer would be 71 meters. All right, so the answer would be option number 3. Okay, all right, so now can I launch option bubble question number 2 and bubble question number 3 so that you guys can earn your bubbles? Okay, so bubble question number 2, answer already given to you, which is option number 4. You guys ready? Everybody ready? Yes. Okay, launching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get your bubbles, guys. Excellent job. Well done, well done. Okay, so in this case, moderator, we do not need to key in the bubbles for them already. So all of you can get your bubbles because I'm going to give you the options again. Okay, 5 more seconds if you have not keyed your answer yet. Yes, I circled the answer because we already went through together, but you guys did not have the chance to key in, to click on the option earlier on. Okay, are you ready for question, bubble question number 3? Yes? Okay, all right. The answer is already given to you, okay? Option number 4, ready, let's go. Nobody should get this wrong. Everybody should get your bubbles. Okay? Option number 4. Everybody keen already? It's not really a bubbles giveaway, but you guys did earn it, okay? Because you guys did give me the correct answer earlier on, just that you did not have the chance to click on it, yeah? Okay, everybody click already? Anybody has not clicked yet? Can I end? For these 2 questions over here. No more already. Okay, for these 2 questions over here. All right, so I'm going to end this something. No, but everybody already managed to get their bubbles. All right, so it is 4:30 over here. So I'm going to end the lesson today. Okay, so again, one more time, apologize for all the technical difficulties that we faced during this lesson. And I hope that you guys get your bubbles as well. Okay, but at the end of the day, it's more important that you guys learn how to solve the question more so than earning the bubbles. Okay, so if there's any part that you guys do not understand, please kindly watch the recorded video again. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can stay back and ask. If not, then that's all for today. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.